Hello and welcome back to 40 days of Java programming, guys. So once again we are back with another topic in this programming. So today's topic will be while loop. So basically what is this while loop is, for suppose you have specified a condition. So unless or until your condition is specified as true, the given block of code will be executed, or else it will be terminated from the code. For example, in case 1 your condition is true, so that block of code will be executed, or in the case 2 also, if it is true, your block of code will be executed. In case 3 also, if it is true, it will be executed. But while when coming to the case 4, if it is false, the block of code will not be executed and it will be coming out of that while loop. So I'll explain you this briefly through my whiteboard. Yeah. So at first let us understand the syntax. At first you will be writing while and followed by the condition that you must be specified, and opening curly bracket, and at the end a close curly bracket. So in between this opening and closing curly bracket you just need to specify the block of code. Okay. Yeah. So here you need to specify a condition like I is greater than equals to 10, or I is less than or equals to 10, things like that must be specified here. So let us take case 1, case 2, case 3. Just give me a second. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Okay, let us take it like this. And now let us take case 1 is true. Okay, so as the case 1 is true, this will enter into the block. Okay, case 1, that means in the first case, that is in this condition, if the case 1 is true, if it is true, the code will enter into the block inside the while loop and it will be executing the things present in that block of code. And here the case 1 chapter is done, and let's go to case 2. If the case 2 is also true, the same thing happens. It will be entering into the while loop. The code will be executed here. And if case 3 also true, it will be doing the same thing. But when it comes to the case 4, if it is false, it will not enter into the block. It will directly comes outside this while loop and runs the whatever code present outside this while loop. Okay, or else let us suppose that if the case 2 is false. Okay, if the case 2 is false, the same thing happens. It will be coming out of this while loop and it will be executing the code present outside this while loop, and it will not go to case 3 and case 4. Okay, so that's the theory part behind this. If the given condition is specified as true, it will be entering into the block of code, or else it will be coming outside this. Okay, so that's the theory part, guys, and I have picked up one example for you, so for your better understand. So let us enter into that compiler and see what example we got here. See, so I have took an integer type of variable whose value is 0 at initial stage. So this is while, and this is the condition that I have specified, and this is my block of code. Okay, at first I'll just open my notepad. At initial my I value is 0. Okay, so instead of 10, let us pick it as 4. I'll pick it as 4 and I'll run the code, and now let's see what happens. So in case 1, I value equals to 0. Okay, I value is 0, so it will enter into this code in this condition, guys. So it will verify here, so whether 0 is less than 4. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So as it is true, it will enter inside its block and prints the value of I. So what is the value of I here? It is 0. So that's what we got here. Okay, so in the next case it will be going into the next line of the code. So what is present here? An iteration. It will be incrementing the value 0. That means 0 plus 1. Sorry, 0 plus 1, so that is 1. So this is equals to our I value in the next case. That means case 2 I equals to 1. That means here I will be 1 now, and it will be verifying here I is less than 4. Okay, so this is true. So as this is true, it will be printing that value. What is I value? 1. It will be printing that value. So after printing this, it will be doing iteration one more time, that is 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. In case 3, our I value will be 2. Okay, so again it will be verifying, again it will be incrementing, that is 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. In the case 4, our I value is 3. Okay, and it will be verifying whether 3 is less than 4 or not. So it is less than 4, so this will be true. As this is true, it will be entering inside this block, it will be printing that I value. We got that value here, and it will be listen here carefully guys, and it will be incrementing here. That means what will be getting here, as it is incremented, we will be getting 3 plus 1, that is equals to 4. That means in the next case I equals to 4. Okay, so it will be verifying here. So whether I 4 is less than 4, tell me guys, is 4 less than 4? No, right, it's false. So as it is false, as a given statement is false, it will not enter into this, it will not enter into this code anymore, it will be coming outside. So that for that certain statement will be not executed. For example, I'll just print some random value here, system.out.println thank you. Okay, so if I run this, after this 3 value will be getting thank you. See, that's because in our last condition 4 is not less than 4. That means the given state condition is false. So that's the reason it will be coming outside this, it will be coming outside this while loop and prints whatever may be the code present outside that while loop. So that's the theory that's the code part guys. I hope the concept is crystal clear for you. So if you have any doubts, you just comment in the comment section, or you can verify the WhatsApp groups. So that's it for this video guys, thank you.